So I'm starting off with some rough sawn white oak. I've already cut it to about 2 foot long sections, and now I'm going to plane it down. In here I've got all my power carving stuff. I've got some of my safety equipment in here, and then I've got my angle grinders with my different carving discs and a lot of the Arbortech tools that I have, including my new power carver. I'm going to try that out today, see how it works. So I've got the turbo plane in here right now. Been using this one a couple years. It's really great for taking off a lot of material. So now I've got the mini carver on it. It's got 2 blades on there. It works really well. You can use it to hollow out areas really nicely. So I've got the turbo plane out again because when I've got this up on my shed, which is where it's going to go, I want it to kind of be looking down, and so I want the face to kind of angle this way. So I got to remove a lot of material here so it kind of slants down. So I'm going to use a mixture of hand tools and power tools for this one. Some of the tight spots, it'll be a little difficult to use all those power tools, at least the ones I have. Alright, so using this Arbortech, I should be able to get in and nibble outside the leaves to kind of define those a little bit more, see how it goes. I'm going to take my time. So I've got this thing mostly carved out. It's rough carved. The primary leaves are in. I'm going to go back with a mini power carver and get those areas. Should go a little bit quicker than just by hand. So now I've got that at least started here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch back to this guy here. I'm going to angle that back, take all this material off up here. Same thing down here. And then I'm going to take off trunk in here. Now I got the sanding pad on here that comes with this, so I'm going to try that out. Alright, so now I'm going to seal it with some boiled linseed oil. Kind of like this. Alright, I think it turned out pretty well. I put on that brown. I didn't like it. It was too dark, so then I just came back. I had enough green, and I just kind of lightly sprayed in spots, and it turned out pretty nice. I also followed it up with a couple coats of clear enamel, just kind of give it a little extra protection for a while. It's going to be outside, so it's going to rot after a while, but that's okay. It's white oak. It'll take a long time to do that. Probably 25 years or longer. Anyway, let's go put it up.